I can't breathe out of this thing. If I blow any harder, I'll launch into orbit. Moon, send help, or soup.
Huh, peppermint oil. That might just do the trick. Yep, I have a plan.
Easy now. Just a drop. And one more. Perfect.
Okay, Steam. I'm ready for you. That's the stuff. Yeah, that's better.
Whoa there, big guy. You can't pass.
Oh, I think I can. Time for a little fresh breeze. Wait. That's better. Clear skies ahead. Welcome to the